What's up? So today we're gonna be shut up, I'm recording the intro. We're gonna be unboxing a Mazda Miata soft top. We're gonna get this unboxing video for the channel. Alright, so introduce yourself, tell them what we're unboxing.
So I'm low money, and this is since I have so much money, I just buy things all the time. And
Hey, why are you wearing a Bad Religion shirt, by the way?
oh, because we're seeing Miley Cyrus tonight in concert, and I just wanted to piss off her fans.
Oh, edgy, bro. Alright, so we're unboxing a what?
Just give me a minute. Luke, stall for a second. Hey, pull the other side.
Whoa!
You never know what.
So bad news. I just cut the soft top by accident, and we're gonna have to return it.
I guess that's the end of the video, right?
Pranked! Car, whatever.
Yeah, bro, this thing smells new. I'm gonna take a whiff.
Let's get the subscribers a whiff too.
Damn, bro. It smells like fucking Sky Zone.
Oh, we gotta put it together.
Yeah. Well, no, the rain rail should already be on there.
Dang, glass window. Woo!
Is that tempered?
I don't know, why don't you ask him?
Alright, well, first we need to take the other one off. Put this in there.
No, let's go show them the car.
Oh yeah, let's show him what this baby's going on. This right here is a 1993 Mazda MX-5 Miata limited edition.
No, that's
Limited
the
edition. LE.
So it's the fastest Miata to do. That's 600 horsepower stock.
Yeah, and so we'll be taking this roll bar off.
Wait.
Oh yeah, get it? Yeah. So we're gonna be taking this roll bar off,
Don't want to peep the specs.
taking off the old soft top, and then putting the new one on.
Wait, wake this nigga up.
All right.
Dual overhead camshaft. No, it's a V16, bro.
Oh, for real? Wow! Wow!
Wait, how many valves and how many cylinders?
Like 16.
Wow! What are we doing now?
When we're done with these, we have to make another Need for Speed video.
Another... Dude, I don't know why we haven't done that. We're gonna make a video for Luke leaving, but it's gonna be like where Luke becomes Steve inside of the cooler.
Except I don't even get in the cooler, I get like 1 foot in.
Nah, you get in the cooler, bro. Now we're looking up the rest of the instructions to get the soft top off. We pretty much got the little railing off, and so we just need to take off, I believe, these bad boys and these ones.
Wait, keep going, bro.
It's already recording. It's already
What
recording.
time we get in there?
Are you getting this?
Back up. Make it
I know,
so
hold
it's
up.
already recording because he doesn't know how to start.
Yeah, I don't trust him. You probably turned the video off because I handed it to him and he just, you gonna lift it up.
Bro, what is this phone? It's so small.
Broke niggas, am I right?
Whatever. Remember, for the longest time, I had the most new phone, and now you both have 10s. Alright,
So, all I heard was we both have 10s.
Battery. Put super fast battery.
Dude, this thing's a V8.
Dang. Yeah. Vacuuming. We're getting the mom.
It's blowing my face.
Wait, what are we driving here? What are the specs on this thing?
Man, you don't even want to know. I don't even want.
Alright, so we got the soft top off. Now we're getting ready. We're cleaning it out. We're gonna lower the car because you know we're slamming this thing to the ground, putting it on bags. But we're gonna get ready to clean this out. You know, we're gonna put the new soft top on. It's got a glass window.
Yo, give my boy some pussy, bro.
No, it's
Corbin Blue's character. Yeah.
It doesn't matter which wheel goes back.
It doesn't matter which wheel.
Why would it matter?
I don't know.
Bro, this guy acts like he's like a car guy, but he doesn't even know like how wheels work. BBS wheels with the caps gone because you know don't want them to get stolen.
They went 2 full hours. The other day, 1 something.
We're getting ready to drop this thing, but to drop it, you have to lift it. Get out because all the way to the cars.
Oh, I thought that's what you were doing over there, just jacking it up.
But you can move those now.
But you can't.
You have to roll it forward.
And what was the point of putting the ramps back under it?
Well, that was because this thing's not. When that goes straight onto the ground, this thing won't fit under there. So if we
So it gets stuck.
That's true. You wouldn't be able to get it out.
yeah, we wouldn't be able to get it out. Okay, so
Yep. Washing the Elantra here.
Oh man, I got holes in my shoes and they're getting all wet.
Last T-Bell with the boys. Bye, Luke.
well, we'll do it again in 6 years.
6 years? All right.
What's up, guys? We made it to the venue. We're in the parking garage right now, about to go into the Palladium. What you gotta say, Mo?
What's up, Luke? It's your boy Riley. And I'm gonna miss you, no homo. Been my boy since, you know, the 5th grade, and here you go off to the army, who it's been real.
Bye, Luke. Where's he going?
Just say bye.
Bye, Luke. Be safe. See you when you come back. Is he going off to the army?
Yeah.
Bye, Luke.
Today?
Like tomorrow.
He's going to boot camp. You can do it, Luke.
Hi, Lucifer.
Perfect.
Later, dude.
Hey Luke, I hope you have an amazing time in the military. It was so nice getting to know you in the little time that we had known each other in middle school, but let alone I never thought I'd be seeing you 10 years later, or even making this video for even that. I hope you have a blessed time there. Be safe, and good luck on your new chapter of life. Okay, bye.
Hey yo, what up, Luke? It's your boy Mason. Don't die. We'll still be here when you come back to blow shit up. And yeah, take it easy, bro. Peace out, Tupac.
Bye, Luke. Bye, Luke. This is Giselle. I only met you like twice. But bye.
Yo, Luke, I heard you were going to the army, so see ya.
Bye, Luke.
Bye.
Bye, Luke.
Bye. Love you.